Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 5th April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 5th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 6th April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time, because I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. You do not miss any opportunities. So please do subscribe and do it. Check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is a chart of Euro USD. Right now I'm in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, probably the most loved time frame in the Forex market. And as you can see, the 50 moving average is acting as a resistance for the market. Here we see that market tried to go up, got resistance from the 50 MA, came down, and the downtrend continued. Again, after reaching or hitting this point, market went up, and right now market is struggling again. We can see that market tried to go up, but market is struggling near the 50 moving average. So to get a clear picture, let's jump to the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly chart of Euro USD. As you all know, weekly chart is important because we need to understand the footprints of the big players, because this is a hard fact, bitter fact on the market that yes, traders like you and me, we do not determine the direction. The big players determine the direction and we must know their footprints. Okay. So you can see that in the weekly chart, uh, previous week market has formed a red candle with price rejection from above. Okay. But this week, after reaching this level, 1.1710, the price has bounced. Okay, or market after testing the support level, okay, after testing this support level, market has gone up, which means that 1.1710 is a support for the market, because you can see that there are two levels. First of all, there is a support available at this level. Secondly, 50 moving average. Okay, this is the 50 moving average. 50 moving average has also come to provide support to the market. As a result, 1.170, this level has become an important level for the market, because this is the level where market is getting support from two levels, pivot and 50 MA. This is the overall chart and the overall trend of the market. We can see that euro, or the overall trend of Euro USD, is towards the downside, because since March, okay, since March, market is in downtrend, and whenever market is in downtrend or in a market like this, we should only be looking for shorting opportunity, because if we look for buying opportunity, we'll be going against the trend. Okay, but we have seen in the weekly chart that market is getting resistance from the 50 MA as well as the pivot support. So therefore we are in a crucial position right now. So what was the level that we have seen? It was 1.1710. Okay, and the current market price is 1.1760. Because if I ignore this fact, or if I ignore this level right now, okay, suppose we do not know about the weekly chart, okay, then we can easily tell that this is a very good position to short term market. Okay, is not it? This is a very good position to short term market, because market is getting 50 rejection from the above. Market is struggling at the 50 MA, 50 moving 50 MA is acting as a resistance, and market is also in the overbought zone. So considering all these factors, this is a very good spot to short the market. So you can also still you can short the market, because see right now market is trading at 1.1760. So easily you can trade for 40-50 pips. Okay, this will be your target if you short the market here. So what should be your strategy? Your strategy is simple. When market will open on Monday, just observe the market, just wait for 1 or 2 candles and just see. If you see that price is still struggling at the 50 moving average, price is unable to cross the 50 moving average, that means that sellers are still present in the market. Try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, market, which means that market has still got sellers who are trying their best to push the price towards the downside. So if you see that 50 MA is still a valid resistance, short the market here. Okay, short the market here at 1.1760 or 1.1750. Okay, you just short the market, but do remember this is your target. Okay, this is your target, 1.1710. When you will reach this level 1.1710, just be cautious, just be cautious. If you see that price is about to take support at this level, just come out of the trade, because already you have made money. You do not need to risk your profit. Just come out of the trade at 1.1710. On the other hand, if you see that yes, at 1.1710 so price is still, market is still seeing great amount of selling pressure, then you can go ahead and continue. But otherwise, okay, if you wait for the Monday opening, if you see that price is struggling near 50 MA, short the market and come out by 1710. This is a simple strategy for Euro USD as of now. So let's see how the Monday goes. If we see that if market bounces from here or if market crosses this level, then we'll have to modify our strategy and game for the Tuesday or 6th April. I'll come and cover everything tomorrow, but as of now for Monday, short the market at 50 MA if you see some reversal and come out of the trade by 1.1710. So this is the simple strategy that you can follow for Euro USD and safe strategy. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.